Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view purchase history on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your purchase history on your Steam account, first log into your Steam app as I have already logged into my Steam app with my Steam account over here. And when you land on this interface, in order to proceed from here to view your purchase history on Steam, at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see a username available for us over here with a drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the second option where it says account details just below the view profile. Click on account details over here and you land on this interface where you can see the view purchase history option available for us over here, just above the view license and product key activations where I'm hovering. Click on the view purchase history and all of your purchase things on Steam will be over here, all of your purchase history. Because I have not purchased anything on this account on Steam guys, there's nothing on my account over here, but in your case there will be all of your purchase history available over here. And that being said guys, this is how to view your purchase history on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.